Hello students, let's begin our social science class in continuation of NCERT Geography chapter Physical Features of India. In previous video we have discussed about the major physiographic divisions of India are respectively the Himalayan mountains, the northern plains, the peninsular plateau, the Indian desert, the coastal plains and the island. Today's content major physiographic division in which I am going to explain only the Himalayan mountains. So let's talk about the Himalayan mountain. When we speak about Himalaya, then it means the abode or house of snow. In Sanskrit, that is Hima means snow and Alya means abode or house. See the features of Himalaya. The Himalayas geologically young and structurally fold mountains stretches over the northern borders of India. These mountains ranges run in a west-east direction from Indus River to the Brahmaputra River. They form an arc which covers a distance about 2400 km. Their width varies from 400 km in Kashmir to 150 km in Arunachal Pradesh. When we see this picture, the brown color demarked with the northern Himalaya. There were different ranges. We are going to discuss about this. The Himalaya consists of three parallel ranges in its longitudinal extent. These are the greater inner Himalaya, which is also known as Himadri, the lesser Himalaya or Himachal, and the outer Himalaya or Shivalik. Now we are going to discuss about the features of all these three parallel ranges. First, Greater Himalaya. Features of Greater Himalaya or Himadri. The Greater Himalaya or Inner Himalaya or also known as Himadri. It is the northernmost continuous range, consists of loftiest peak within average height of 6,000 meter. It consists all permanent Himalaya peaks. Then the folds of the Great Himalayas are asymmetrical in nature, means it is not same, somewhere high, somewhere low, like this. The core of this part of the Himalayas is composed of granite. It is perennially snowbound and a number of glaciers descend from this range. Now the features of Lesser Himalaya or Himachal. The range lying to the south of Himadri forms the most largest mountain system and is known as Himachal or Lesser Himalaya. The ranges are mainly composed of highly compressed and altered rocks. The altitude varies between 3,700 to 4,500 meters and the average width is of 50 km, while the Pir Pinjal range forms the longest and the most important range. The Dhauladhar and Mahabharat range are also prominent one. This range consists of the famous valley of Kashmir, the Kangra, the Kullu valley in Himachal Pradesh. This region is well known for its hill station. Third range is Shivalik range. Features: they extend over a width of 10 to 50 km and have an altitude varying between 900 to 1100 meters. These ranges are composed of unconsolidated sediments brought down by the rivers from the main Himalayan ranges located further north. These valleys are covered with the thick gravel and alluvium. These are the features. The longitudinal valley lying between Lesser Himalaya and the Shivaliks are known as dunes. Dehradun, Kotli Dun, Potli Dunes are some of the well-known dunes. Now the question related to the topic: Name the major physiographic divisions of the India. That is the Himalayan mountain, northern plains, peninsula, Indian desert, coastal plain, and island. These are the major physiographic division. Name the three major divisions of Himalaya from north to south longitudinally, and describe the three features of each. So you are going to describe the features, three features of Himadri, three features of Himachal, and three features of Shivalik respectively. When we see the picture of this map of India, then you find out there were one more division, and this division of Himalaya, according to the west to east, and also demarcated by river valleys. So there were one more way the Himalaya divide on the basis of regions from west to east, and these west to east division demarcated by river valleys. These are respectively Punjab Himalayas, because it is drained by the Indus and Satluj river from west to east. This is known as Kashmir as well as Himachal Himalaya respectively. Second is Kumayu Himalaya. This part lies between Satluj and Kali river. Then Nepal Himalaya lies between Kali and Tista rivers. Assam Himalaya lies between the Tista and Dhyang rivers. So this division is based on the demarcation of river valleys. Now, one more area which is demarcated with the eastern hill, which is known as Purvachal. So definition of Purvachal: mountains along the eastern boundary of India are called the Purvachal or the eastern hills and mountains. Now, features of Purvachal hills: they comprise of sandstone and sediments. These hills covered with dense forest. Example of these hills: the Patkai Hills, the Naga Hills, the Manipur Hills, and the Mizo Hills. Through this map, you can understand right hand side the boundaries: Patkai, Naga, and Mizo Hills. These all area is known as in eastern India as the Purvachal area. Now the question related to the topic: describe the division of Himalaya on the basis of the regions from west to east, demarcated by river valleys. What are Purvachal? Mention two features of it. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.